My name is Roger Valentine with Val Equity Construction. We're standing in front of a house that was built in the 1850s. Our client contacted us so we could transform the inside and the outside. On the outside we have new siding, put in a new deck around this way, and I'll show you a new entrance to the basement. Follow me.
Everything you need to live inside.
Looking down this way, we have new access that we created to the basement.
I had a dream I was your hero. Damn.
She decided to recover the garage and also add this deck and patio so they can sit outside here and enjoy the sounds of the park. We put over an existing entrance and added some concrete steps. This is the main entrance to the house for the homeowners.
This monkey can't stand to see you black and blue. I give you something sweet each time you come inside my jungle book. What is it just too good? You'll stay, cause then you'll go away. Damn, I wish I was your lover. I'd rock you till the daylight comes. Made sure you are smiling and warm. I am everything. Tonight I'll be your mother. We'll do such things to ease your pain. Free your mind and you won't feel ashamed. Shucks, for me there is no other. You're the only shoe that fits. Imagine I'll grow out of it. Damn, I wish I was your lover. Yeah. If I was your girl, believe me, I'd turn on the Rolling Stones. We could move along as if nothing's better. Let me in. Mountainside, a peace of mind, and I lay by the ocean making love to her with visions clear. Walk the days with no one near, and I return as chained and bound to you. Damn, I wish I was your lover. I'd rock you till the daylight comes. Make sure you are smiling and warm. I am everything. Tonight I'll be your mother. I'll do such things to ease your pain. Free your mind and you won't feel ashamed. Shucks, for me there is no other. You're the only shoe that fits. I can't imagine I'll grow out of it. Damn, I wish I